Dear students, in this video we will see two examples related to the graph. So the example one, that is, it is asking that state whether it is possible to construct a graph with 7 nodes and 14 edges. Okay, so we have to prove that. Is it possible to construct a graph which is 7 nodes and 14 edges? So here it is said that just a graph. It is not given complete graph or like that. Okay, so we know that the simple graph with 7 nodes will have maximum. So this formula is, if suppose you are having n nodes, so n into n minus 1 upon 2, these are the edges. If you are having, these are the maximum edges if you are having a complete graph. Okay, you already know the complete graph definition. If you don't know, check the previous videos. So n into n minus 1 upon 2, this is the formula that we are having to find the number of edges in a graph. Okay, so suppose we are having 7 nodes, so we are having 7 into 7 minus 1 upon 2, that is 7 into 6, 42 upon 2, that is 21 maximum edges you can have. Okay, 21 maximum edges you can have in a graph, but it is not given that this graph is complete graph or not. So, and it is asked that if using 14 edges we can construct the graph. So a simple graph with 7 nodes can be constructed using 14 edges. It is allowed to have 21 maximum edges. An example, it is asked 14, so obviously using 14 edges you can construct this graph. Okay, next example is find the number of edges. So we have to find how many edges are there in your graph with 6 nodes. There are 6 nodes. Out of these 6 nodes, 2 nodes are having degree 4 and 4 nodes are having degree 2, right? So we have to find the number of edges where there are 6 nodes in a graph. Okay, so what is given here? Nodes are 6. Out of this, 2 nodes are having degree 4 and 4 nodes are having degree 2. Okay, so by handshaking lemma, in previous videos we have seen handshaking lemma. The summation of degree of all the vertices of a graph is equal to twice of the number of edges, right? So here we know the degrees of all the vertices. So there are 2 vertices with degree 4, so 2 into 4, that is summation of all the degree, and plus 4 vertices are having degree 2, so 4 into 2, that is 8 plus 8, that is 16 is the summation of degrees of all vertices. So 16 is the addition of all the degrees, addition of degree of vertices, that is 16. That is equal to twice of edges. So 16 is equal to twice of edges. This is the fixed formula, that handshaking lemma or handshaking theorem. So if you calculate E is equal to 8, so the number of edges where there are 6 nodes in a graph which is having 4 nodes of degree 2 and 2 nodes of degree 4, so 6 nodes having 8 edges. So number of edges is equal to 8. So we have proved this, that the number of edges in this graph is 8. So we have drawn this graph. How many nodes are there? 6 nodes. Okay, so this is A, B, C, D, E and F. So graph is having 6 nodes, so n is equal to 6 and edges are 8. So we have drawn this graph. So it is possible to draw this graph. Hope you understood this theorem. Thank you.